Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can silence unknown callers from being able to call you on WhatsApp. Anytime someone who's not in your contact list, when they try to call you, that call is not going to ring. You would still be able to see those calls. They're not going to ring your phone. And in order to do that, there's a very simple setting that you need to change. First of all, open up WhatsApp and go to settings. Scroll down and look for privacy. Tap on privacy and then scroll down and look for calls. Tap on calls and you're going to get this option, silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They'll still be shown in calls tab and in your notifications. If you turn this on, just as I did right now, after this, anytime when an unknown number try to call me on WhatsApp, my WhatsApp is going to silence those callers. If you contact them, you are able to contact them, you're able to call them back. But if you do make that call, you would not be able to put them in the silenced list in the future. You'd have to actually block that contact in order for you to prevent them to be able to contact you. So this is something important that you need to keep in mind. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.